Hey guys, today we're gonna look at this Roman candle here. This is called Blue Rain and it's by Snakebite Fireworks. It is a pretty interesting looking firework. It's pretty big too. I would say probably an inch bore size. Actually maybe, yeah, probably more like 3/4 of an inch bore size. Yeah, it looks like these actually usually come in a pack of 4. I had a pack of 4 of these, or I think it was either a pack of 2 or a pack of 4. I can't remember, but I did a couple of these on the 4th of July. You probably remember these. So yeah, Blue Rain. I believe it's 5 shots. It does not say anywhere how many shots, um, but it is a pretty big Roman candle. Although I don't think it actually has any reports. It's probably just like a blue mine, if I remember correctly. I think that's what it is. But yeah, I got a little lightning background on here. So yeah, we'll go ahead and light this off. This is the only one that I have left, so hoping this does not fail or anything. But yeah, and of course you got the fuse in here, which you just break through that little red plastic and pull the fuse out like that, and you light it. Let's go ahead and light it and see what it does. Alright, here goes Blue Rain by Snakebite Fireworks, and it is a little breezy out tonight, but it should be fine. Nice, not bad. Well, that actually wasn't too bad. I was when I first got these, I was expecting a little bit more from these since they're pretty big. But yeah, when I did them on the 4th, I was pretty disappointed. But looking back at these, they're actually pretty nice. The little rain effect to it. It's kind of like a waterfall type effect, though it doesn't last very long. Yeah, all shots went off. I think it was 5 shots. But yeah, pretty nice firework. I think one of these cost like probably $1, at under $2 at least, I think, or $2 at most. I don't know, but I got a pack of 2 or 4 or whatever it was. I don't remember. It was a long time ago. But yeah, these are pretty nice fireworks. So, would be pretty nice in shows for that specific effect. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time with another video.